Welcome back. In Lagos, where the state government has announced the construction as preferred bidder for the $2.5 billion planned Fourth Mainland Bridge project. We're briefing journalists in Lagos. The special advisor on works and infrastructure to the governor, Aramide Adeyi, says the project will be flagged off in the first quarter of next year, and it's expected to be completed in 2027.
This is what the proposed 37 kilometers Fourth Mainland Bridge will look like. The project is a proposed public-private partnership transport infrastructure, and the administration of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu has finally gotten a preferred bidder for the project after undergoing a competitive bidding process.
From 6 bidders on the 31st of May, we had a revised submission date due to the COVID pandemic, and revised submission dates ended 30th of August 2021, of which 6 bidders only 2 responded and were responsive, and it progressed to RFP stage 2.
The special advisor on works and infrastructure says the project will traverse the northwest towards the lagoon shoreline of Lagos Ibadan via Ikorodu. The Fourth Mainland Bridge was finished in 1990. That was 32 years ago. How come it has taken us this long to come on the Fourth Mainland? So this is coming after extensive route alignment and survey, 16 to be precise. So 16 route selections were carried out before we eventually arrived at this that has minimal number of demolition, that also fits into the settlement action plan, and then also signed up with the environmental impact assessment certified by the Federal Ministry of Environment. So essentially it's a 37-kilometer long road. There's a road component and there is a lagoon bridge component that is about 1.5 kilometers. You will have the option of real estate provisions along the side. It will also cut across, so it will take off from Ibadan all the way over the lagoon, and then bust out at Sparklight on the Lagos Ibadan Expressway. And a word of assurance for those whose property will be affected by the Fourth Mainland Bridge.
All of the people will be affected by the construction of the Fourth Mainland Bridge will not be allowed to go astray. They will be well compensated. They have to show their titles and want to transfer your title to any property along that route. You are going to be compensated. So there should be no fear about that. We have a history of compensating people whose property are taken for public use.
The projected period of completion of the Fourth Mainland Bridge is within 4 years.